Hello everyone. Today we will start with our new chapter, that is business environment, chapter number 3 of our NCRT. In this chapter we need to learn about what kind of environment is most favorable to the organization, as well as what kind of environment gives an opportunity and threat to the organization. For an example, how you can discuss that how the environment or how it impact on our business. How we can say that? It's simply like that. Take an example that suppose government changes its policies, its rules and regulations, its norms, or their taxation policies. Either that particular policy, rules and regulations will affect your business or not. It will affect your business, as in whenever government increases the tax rate, the burden of increasing tax rate should be shifted to the customer, and your prices of any product will be go higher. As comparatively, when tax rates got reduced, then your prices, if it still remain same, then you will get the highest profits, or else you need to reduce your prices due to your competition market. So it all impacts on your environment also. Let's take another example, as in case of technology department or technology field or fashion industries field, the products should be changed in a certain manner, in an instant manner. I can say that whenever a new technology or new fashion or new trend is came in the market, now you have to do to choose the new fashion or new trend or new technology instead of using existing technology, existing fashion, etc. Yes, my friends, there is no one person who deals with that I can believe or I can use right now with the old fashioned things, old fashioned technologies, old kind of trends, etc. Any more examples regarding the environment, how your environment impact to your business, and you can't control them. They are not to be controlled by the business organization. It should be controlled by either by government policies or either by adapting the new environment into the organization. Next example, let's say that if any community is built up, or if you had grown in an industry, you are doing a production in an industry, now you have to make efforts or make increase to your social welfare also. You need to think about your society also. If you don't think about your society, then my dear friends, in today's scenario you won't be able to continue your business organization in a long run also. Okay, my friends, clear? So let's understand what do you mean by business environment. Business environment can be defined as those forces, individual institutions and other forces that are outside the control of business enterprise, that are outside the control of a business enterprise, but may affect its performance of the working of organization. It may affect the performance of the working of organization. How? Here we got the examples, some various examples like changes in technology, changes in technology, another example I had given to you, changes in fashion or trends, fashion or trends. Another example, change in government policies, laws, rules and regulations, etc. What else? Our environment can impact to the business. How it impact? As customer preferences changes, our competition increased in the market, new entrants, I must say, new entrant or competition in the market, etc. These are the factors for which our business will impact due to the environment. Our environment may be the internal environment or the external environment. As in basically it deals with the both kind of environments, internal as well as external environment. But what does that internal and external, that will be discussed later. But before that, you need to understand what is business environment and why it impact to our business. They are the some illustrative examples for you so that we can get why our business will get effect from the environment in the organization. Clear, my friends? Thank you.